Hi, Patrick Chan here, and I hope that you are doing great. So I'm going to continue with the marketing class where you can get to follow the entire process, the entire journey for the next 180 days on how to build the business empire from scratch, right? So every little marketing insights and lessons, they cover a certain topics, cover a certain strategy, a certain model, and so on, right? So today I'd like to do a short training on basically the fundamental of building an online business. What I'm about to share with you is something that is practical, logical, whether you are a newbie or you are an experienced marketer. Because all marketing, with internet marketing, especially in our industry where we are marketing with the digital products, info products, we all use almost the same model. And the model is this: there are just 3 steps. There are just 3 processes that you need to understand and you need to master. If you understand that, everything else are just, say, extra elements to these 3 core steps, right? So what do I mean by that? So there are just 3. Now the first one here, let me just, okay, right, here's my whiteboard, right? So the first one, we are in the business of generating what are we going to generate? We're in the business of generating leads. That's it. That's what we do. Whoops. You see that? Yeah, you can see that right now. So generating leads could be subscribers or they could be customers. But the definition of leads here is that these are AKA, you can also call them as prospects, depending on how you want to call them, right? But the point is that these are the ones that show interest in your industry, in your niche, in your offer, and so on. So once you learn how to generate leads, prospects, those people who are interested in what you have to offer, then the next step that you need to, and this marker it's running out of ink, so you have to like really try to read this. Monetization. So you generate leads. The next thing that you learn is how to monetize your leads or monetize your customers. Now, of course, I am sharing with you from a perspective of marketing. Like this is like hardcore marketing lingo here. Of course, when we talk about monetization, what actually happens is there is a value of exchange. Means that your prospect, your leads, in order for them to give you money or pay you or buy something from you, right? It is just exchange of value. So their money worth X amount of value, and then you have to them greater value that you can exchange with them. So it's just about exchange of value. So if you figure that out, that you have something that's more valuable than their tangible money in a sense, right? They will exchange with you. That's it. That is so-called monetization. So if you are struggling at how to monetize, forget about thinking about tactics and so on. All you need to think of is how can you help someone. Got that, right? So if you can figure that out, then you just need to put that together and able to deliver that message to your potential customers. That's it. So you learn about generating leads or getting prospects. You learn how to monetize them. And then the third part that you need to master if you want to build a business empire, a long-term business empire, the last one is all about, oops, we really ran out of ink here. So it's going to be green color. Long-term relationship. I'm not sure whether the video is recording everything. Look at my writing skill. Okay, so after you know how to monetize, which you are able to generate income for yourself, then the next focus is how do you build a relationship. Once you're able to build a relationship, that's how you build a long-term business. So there's just 3 steps, and if you get that right, you will be building a business. Now, if you look at this simple model, right, then you're going to have all kinds of questions, like for instance, like what should I sell, what should I offer, and so on. Should I have like a coaching program, mentoring program, and so on? Should I sell like high price products and so on? It's all up to you. I do not know about your business model, but for my business model, I don't do mentoring, I don't do consultation, and so on. I don't do those high ticket item products. Is that right or wrong? There's no right or wrong, and so on. I mean, that is just my business model. Now, I mean, some other marketers are doing that really well, and they make millions from it, right? See, the way how I like to build my business is that I want to have total freedom. Like for instance, I'm doing this training because I want to do this training. I don't want to do training because I'm forced to be like, now, okay, 6 p.m. you need to talk to someone. There's a coaching call that you need to coach someone and so on. I don't want to get involved in that because I don't want my time to be tied up. So that is not the model that I want to follow. Let me give you a different perspective, right? I mean, we're talking about the internet here. The internet. Now, what do I mean by that? The internet is massive. With the right strategies, I could reach a lot of people all around the world. I mean, if I'm only marketing in my city, right? Then yeah, I probably need to do some kind of mentoring program, some kind of a consultation and so on, because that generates the income fast, right? But if you think again, if I want to make say $1 million, right? Let's say I want to make $1 million. $1 million. Okay? Right. Like for instance, I have sold like digital courses more than 10,000 units. Right? And look at here, right? If I sell 10,000 units, I know the green color doesn't really show, but try to stay with me. Let's say I sold it for $100, which I have sold at $100. 10,000 units times 100, that is about $1 million, right? Now, this is not a brag whatsoever. There are people who make like 10 million selling stuff on the internet. This is like nothing at all. I'm just trying to make a point here that I could just focus on selling $100 products and sold 10,000 copies. And I don't need to do this mentoring program, this consultation with clients and all this kind of stuff, right? And look at this 10,000 customers that I have. If you look here, this falls back into the context of leads, which means that they could be remarketed so long that I'm providing value to them. And where do I provide value to them? It's on the long-term relationship that I built with them, right? And if I need to sell, say, a coaching program or mentoring program, I would rather promote, say, another marketer's coaching program, mentoring program, or and so on, right? And I will be able to still generate income from the affiliate commissions where they handle the work in that sense, so that I get to enjoy doing this kind of training, my marketing class, and spend time with my family, right? So I'm just giving you a different perspective of how you can actually build your business. And this 180 days, seriously, this is what I do. I learn how to generate leads, which you're gonna go behind the scene and see how I generate leads from time to time. I'll monetize my leads, and I'll share with you how I monetize leads and how I build relationship with my customers, right? Does this mean that I won't be doing any coaching program? No, I'm not saying that I won't be doing any coaching program, but as in like right now, while I'm saying this right now, I don't have any mentoring program, consultation, and so on. I don't do that, right? But hey, maybe I may have those mentoring program, high level personal consulting and stuff like that. Who knows? I may change in the future. Nobody knows what does the future holds. I mean, like nobody knows whether Bitcoin is going up or down. All right. I just thought of Bitcoin because I just read some article today about that. So there you have it. So I hope that you got some value from this marketing insights, and please feel free to like it if you like it. If you don't, that's fine, then don't like it. But if you do like it, do like it so that I know that you're enjoying this marketing lesson. and feel free to share. And send me a message if you want. There should be a send messenger button somewhere on this page so that I can connect with you and you will not miss the future marketing insights that I will be releasing for you for the next 180 days. Alright,